Create your survey using Microsoft Excel online. First, go to a web browser and type in portal.office.com. portal.office.com. Remember to log in using your student ID at ccisd.net and your lunch pin without the zeros for your password. Once you get here, this is the portal for Microsoft Office. You'll have access to all of Microsoft Office tools. Most importantly for this, Excel Online. Once you've clicked here, it will bring you to this screen. Click New Blank Workbook. From here, you'll create your survey. When it opens up, it looks a lot like a regular Excel document. We're not creating the Excel file, so we're just trying to use this for the survey. So once it loads, in the middle, you'll see a Survey button. Click on the Survey button and then New Survey. Once here, it will open a new survey window. You'll start by creating a title for your survey. Think of something clever, but something that explains what you're doing. Here's my title. Underneath that, you need to clarify what this survey is about. Explain your purpose, give directions, or something else that helps the person taking your survey to know what they're doing. After you finish inputting your directions, you'll click down on the next box underneath the directions that you've just typed. It should turn green, and there should be a box in there for you to see. If it doesn't, make sure that you're fully out of the selection above. Once you've clicked in that box, you start typing your questions. Begin by entering the question that you'd like to put for the first question. It's okay if you don't have this one first. You can move them around later. After you've typed your question, what do you think? Type in any clarification that might be necessary for that question. It might need more than one sentence answer. It might have a problem to go with it, something. The types of questions you can put are text questions. For example, you'll have one line of text or a paragraph. Maybe there's more than one sentence to describe the answer. You can also put a number in there. Maybe it was a math problem. Maybe it was how many times have you done this? You can also put in a date or time. Don't forget, you can also put in a yes and no, or you can also put in a multiple choice by selecting choice. In order to select what choices you want to put on there, you'll again click the choice button, come in, and put in whatever choices the person has. Once you've entered all the choices that you want, you have several options from here. You can click that it's required and you want them to answer this question. When you're finished, you can either delete that or click Done. Clicking Done. After you're finished, if you want more questions, click the tab that says Add More Questions. Add your questions just as before. Decide what type of question they're going to be, and decide if it's going to be required or optional. Once you've done that, you click Done and add as many questions more as you need. I'm going to add a couple more just so you can see how you can reorder the questions. So once you've added all of the questions that you're interested in, and you've gotten them all required or paragraphed or whatever, click Done, and then you're able to move them around. Say you want that question first, you want to add, or you want to edit by clicking the cogwheel in the top right of each question. You can go back and change what you're interested in the question being, or whether or not it's required. Maybe you want to delete it. When you're finished, click Save and View. You'll see exactly what the person taking your survey will see. If you scroll down, you'll notice that they do their questions and hit Submit. If you're ready to share, click Share. If you need to edit, click Edit. If you want to take a look at your spreadsheet, click Close. When you share your survey, you'll get a link. Control-C or right-click and copy your link. Go to your mail, create a new message, send your link to your teacher, Coach Lisbony, blisbony@ccisd.net. Include your subject, survey, your last name, and the class period you're in, so he knows who he's getting a survey from. From here, you'll go into the body of the email, and you can either click Control V or right-click and paste. Here's your survey, and you're ready to send.